Hi, I'm Anna from Edu4U, and today we will talk about maintenance loans in the UK. Edu4U is always here to help you. What is a maintenance loan? A maintenance loan is a type of loan that covers living expenses in the UK.
It is provided by a government organization, Student Finance England. The loan amount depends on the household income or the sum of your and your parents' income.
To be eligible for a maintenance loan, you generally need to be a full-time student from the UK or EU, enrolled in an approved higher education course at a recognized institution. How much of a maintenance loan you can get? The amount of the maintenance loan you receive depends on various factors, including your household income, where you live, whether you're studying away from home or in your parental home, and whether you are studying in London or outside London. You can get up to £9,500 per year under the maintenance loan. However, if you live in London, the loan amount can go up to £15,000. A maintenance loan is a type of loan that needs to be repaid. However, the cost and method of return are definitely preferential. How does it look in practice? You only start paying off your maintenance loan 1 year after graduation, if you start work and your income exceeds the income threshold. The threshold in the UK is £25,000. If you earn less, you won't need to repay at all. If your earnings are above the income threshold, you don't have to worry about your monthly budget either. Simply, the maintenance loan installment will be only 9% of the amount by which you exceeded this threshold. Let's compare part-time work at £18,000 per year, £13,000 maintenance loan versus full-time job at £25,000 per year. Who comes out on top over a year? Part-time workers earn £31,000, including the loan, against full-times earn £25,000. Remember, your situation shapes the best choice. To sum up, embrace the opportunity as the maintenance loan makes juggling education and earning easier than ever. How does it work? If you are interested, you need to contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we'll do your application online, and finally you can start the university. Remember that our help is free. Thank you for watching. If you are interested to start a university or college in the UK, please contact us on WhatsApp. Remember that our help is free. We can't wait to hear from you.